Damn fine specimens. We humans greet you, dear. How about grass? Do you want me to pick the grass for you as well? I can be full on like deer. You want the grass as well? Oh god, you do. Okay. All right, it's grass picking time now. If I like pick up the grass for you, maybe then I'll get only the choicest selections for you, Mr. Boku, the celebrity of the park. We are here to serve. The nicest looking blades of grass, hand-picked by me. Let's get the shitty bits away. Okay, there we go. Hand-picked, choice selection of grass. How do you feel? Yes, only the best. Oh no, you need to spit that bit out. Okay, I'm sorry, sir. This bit? No. Okay, didn't like my choice selection. Alright, fine. It's okay. This is the last piece. So can I get into the whole dog stay thing? Stay. You can smell it. There you go. Alright, see you later, buddy. We're gonna get going, yeah? Bye-bye, okay? It might have a little bit of bad eyesight, for sure. What's his name? Roku-chan. R-O-K-U? R-O-K-U. Rokusuke or something, Roku-chan. That was fun. I like that deer a lot. Alright, so now we're gonna go find a bathroom so I can wash my hands. He looks like the oldest in the park. Nah, there's older deer further up. It's easier to tell. Oh no, the rain. It's easier to tell when the antlers come in a bit more. But like further up the mountain area, there's a lot more that are like bigger. For some reason down here, they all seem younger. I'm not sure why. Alright, let's see if we can get to this crazy ass coffee shop today so I can show you before we get hit by the downpour of rain, which is gonna suck and ruin the day. Oof, well that is a nasty ass fucking... Yikes, that's actually really, really nasty. Let's not look at that. You remind me a bit of JJ. Which JJ is this that you're talking about? I'm interested. Fake JJ. They all look alike. Wait, which JJ? Wait, which JJ do I remind you of? I'm super interested. Is there another version? What's this like extra JJ DLC? Oh my god. I'm going to hide now. That's that's cute. That's funny. No need to hide.